Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Muhammad Fahri Amrullah from class 1214. In this video, I will explain about hortatory exposition text. We will discuss the definition, social function, generic structure, language feature, and also an example of hortatory exposition text. What is hortatory exposition text? Hortatory exposition text is a type of text that aims to persuade of or convince the readers that something should or should not be done. Hortatory exposition text is a text that gives arguments and ends with a recommendation. The reader wants the reader to agree with their opinion and take action. Social function. The social function of hortatory exposition text is to persuade the readers, to influence reader opinions, to encourage readers to take action. The main goal of this text is persuasion. The reader does not only give information, but also tries to influence the readers to do something based on the recommendation. Generic structure. Generic structure of hortatory exposition text: thesis, arguments, and recommendation. Hortatory exposition text has three main parts. This part helps the reader organize ideas clearly and logically. Thesis introduces the topic, shows the reader point of view, appears at the beginning of the text. The thesis is the opening part. It tells the reader what topic will be discussed and what the reader believes about the topic. Argument contain written and facts support the thesis, usually written in several paragraphs. Argument explain why the reader's opinion is correct. The stronger the argument, the easier the reader. Recommendation contains advice or suggestion, thus what should or should not be done, usually uses words like should, must, ought to. This part is very important because it shows the reader's final message. The recommendation clearly tells the readers what action they should take. Language feature: simple present tense, modal verbs should, must, ought to, action verbs, connect victors, firstly, moreover, therefore. Hortatory exposition text usually uses simple present tense because it talks about general facts and opinions. Now I will give you an example of a hortatory exposition text so you can understand it better. Example text: thesis. Students should wear school uniforms every day. Wearing uniforms helps students focus on learning and reduce social difference among them. This is the thesis. It introduces the topic and shows the reader's opinion about school uniforms. Example text: arguments. Firstly, school uniforms reduce social inequality. Students do not compete based on clothing brands. Secondly, uniforms create discipline and responsibility. Students learn to follow school rules. Moreover, uniforms make students easier to identify and improve school safety. These arguments explain the reasons why students should wear uniforms. Each argument supports the main idea. Example text recommendation. Therefore, schools should require students to wear uniforms. This policy will create a better learning environment and help students focus on their education. This recommendation clearly tells what should be done. The writer wants schools to apply the rule. Conclusion. Hortatory text persuades the readers, uses argument and recommendation, encourages action. In conclusion, hortatory exposition text is very useful to express opinions and persuade others politely and logically. Thank you. Any question? This is all my explanation about hortatory exposition text. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Me Muhammad Fari Amrullah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.